Let's braids. Divide the section of hair you want to make into 3 sections and then start braiding. Braid up to 2 times before adding the extension. Add little section of the extension in between your index finger and your middle finger, and then braid, and you repeat this for 2 more times. You add the extension in between your index finger and the middle finger, and make sure you hold it tight to avoid slipping off. And then you repeat the process for the 3rd time. And then start braiding down. And then after braiding down a little, you add more extensions to increase the size of the braids, depending on the size you want actually. And that's it.